Hi, here we have our Sharp fully integrated dishwasher delivered by AO earlier this week. Let's start by turning it on using the touch sensitive dashboard. Right, as you can see, when it turns on you get the double dash and it also lights up the internal compartment. The Sharp dishwasher comes with 8 program settings that you can see along here. Slightly frustratingly, these aren't actually touch sensitive. So in order to operate these, you need to use the P for program here. So a single press and you can see that it's loaded program 3, which correlates to over here, number 3, which is the eco-friendly mode. It also shows you how long that cycle runs for, which is 3 hours. So to go through the programs, it's just a case of pressing the P button and you can go through all of the programs. Number 1 is the fastest program, which is a spin cycle of quick wash, which is 18 minutes, which is great obviously for doing a really quick wash. If we go across to program 3, that's the setting that Sharp tend to push you down, which is the eco-friendly mode. Over here, you've got a range of buttons. After a bit of trial and error, originally I was trying to press around and you can't actually operate them. However, they're actually quite simple to use. You just press them across single, and as you can see, if I press there, first of all it turns on the top one, then it turns on the bottom one, then it selects both, and then it turns them off. So rather than pressing individually, you kind of press across them. The modes here are, there's an energy efficient mode, which is fantastic because when the wash cycle is completed, it actually automatically opens the door if you've got that one lit up, which I believe helps with drying. On these 2 modes here, you can choose just to wash the bottom half or the top half. You've also got an extra fast mode, and you've also got a nighttime mode, which basically means that it runs slightly quieter. This mode here, I believe, is for if you've got different tablet detergents as well. On this setting, you can actually pre-program the dishwasher to come on in advance. So if I press that, I can set it for 1 hour to come on in 2 hours, or I can just hold my finger down on that and it actually goes through all of the various hours there. Inside the dishwasher, one feature, well not feature, but one thing that is a bit strange is that even with our door on here, it's still not heavy enough to keep the door down. So I think we're probably going to have to buy a slightly heavier door. All of the units come out by just simple sliding. What we did when we first fitted this dishwasher was using the side brackets here. You can actually adjust the height of the dishwasher, which is perfect for our plates that are slightly larger than normal size plates. With the compartments, as usual, you can adjust them all to suit whatever cutlery that you've got in there. And this is quite nice additional shelf up at the top where you can put all of your cutlery and your knives and your forks and various bits and bobs. So far we've used the dishwasher a couple of times, and in terms of performance it's been far better than our previous dishwasher that we did have, so we're really happy with it. Thank you.